back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Lindsey. On today's video, I decided to sit down and do a makeup tutorial. It's been a long time since I've done one of these. So this is a look that I'm always wearing in my pictures on Instagram, and I get a lot of DMs asking what do I do. So this is my go-to full glam look. It's a super soft glam. It's nothing crazy. I don't have a lot going on in the eyes. It mainly focuses on my skin, super dewy and glowy skin. So this is my favorite go-to look whenever I have an event or want to do a full coverage, full glam moment. I go for this look. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram. I have it right here on the screen. Go ahead and like and comment. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you guys can stay up to date for when I drop new videos. And let's get right into this look. Alright, my love, so the first thing I jump into is primer. So I use the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, and then I also pair that with my MAC Fix Plus just to create a nice base for my foundation to lay on top of. And for foundation, I've been loving the Nars Radiant Longwear Foundation recently. It's super natural, it leaves my skin looking super radiant, and also gives me enough full coverage. And I just like to blend that out with a buffing brush. From here, I jump right into my eyebrows, and I like to use a L'Oreal Brow Stylist. So I have really full brow, so I don't really do much. I just like to touch up on the ends of my eyebrow, and I really focus on like the arch and just kind of sharpen it up more. I brush them out, and then I go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and just outline them, conceal them, give them a little bit more shape. And then I like to blend that out with a small concealer brush. And then from here, I go in with the Plouies Base, and I love this stuff. It cancels out any redness on your eyes, and it creates a really nice base for your eyeshadows. And then I like to set that with my Airspun translucent powder. For eyeshadow today, we're going in with the Morphe 39L palette, and I go in with this like dark brown shade, and I just focus this on my crease. I really like to spend my time blending it out. You guys are gonna see. This look is super easy. I only use 2 eyeshadow colors, so what I really focus on is blending them out. And like you just saw, I just switched over to a clean brush and just blend that out. And then I tap into this nude shade and just pat that on my lids, and then I pop on some lashes, and that is it for the eyes. Like I said, super natural. And then I use a Morphe brow gel just to set my brows in place, and now we're all done with the eyes. So I jump right into my concealer, and I use a Tarte Shape Tape and the Makeup Revolution concealer. And I just put this, you know, on my eyes, my forehead, my nose, my chin. I'll blend that out with my beauty blender. And then I go in with my Fenty contour stick. I love this stuff. It's super creamy, and it does a really good job of blending. I like to go in with a small brush and blend down my nose. And then I go in with my Airspun powder again and just set my under eyes. Then I use my Kylie Bronzer just to bronze up my face and give my face a little bit more color. Then I go in with my Charlotte Tillsbury Airbrush Flawless Powder, and I love this stuff. I recently got put onto this powder, and it's amazing. It brightens up your face and just cancels out your pores. It really just gives you like an airbrush look. I love it. And then I use my Morphe Complexion Pro face palette, and I jump into this dark brown shade. It's the darkest bronzer they have, and I just apply a little bit just to give myself a little bit more color, and then I go in with this blush and add some color to my cheeks. And then I go with the same brown shadow that we use on my crease, just down my under eyes. Then I go with my Morphe white eyeliner and my L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara to finish off with my eyes. And then I use my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. I love this stuff. This literally locks your makeup in. It's such a good setting spray. And then for highlighter, I'm using the Jaclyn Hill highlighter in Mesmerized. It's so pretty. It's like a peachy sheen color, and it's nothing too crazy. Like, it really just gives me that natural glow, which is why I love it. And then for my lips, I use KKW Lip Liner in 2.5, Bobbi Brown Lip Liner in Chocolate, and then the Too Faced Lip Injection, the Sephora Liquid Lipstick in Alter Ego, and NYX Butter Gloss in Madeline. So those are all of my favorite lip products. I get a lot of questions on them, so I wanted to include some in the video for you guys. But that is all for the look. As you guys can see, this look is super natural. It really focuses on my skin. So that's all for the look. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you guys like and comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. I'll have it right here on the screen, and I'll see you guys in my next video.